We're gonna go see what we can find. Foraging, day one. Better keep moving. Can I eat any of this moss? I just want to gather up some of this moss and get the fuck out of here. Okay, maybe I just need to get the fuck out of here, huh? Wasn't too sure what I was gonna do with my time this morning. But now I know. Are you guys ready to hear? I'm going to go foraging by myself into the wild, if you catch my drift. I'm not gonna eat anything. I'm just gonna go in and see if with my own two eyes, I can find something. Berries and mushrooms. If the world falls apart and I know how to forage, like I have so many other skills. Foraging is like the last capping little keystone in this arch. If this world falls apart and I knew how to forage while looking like this, I would be the queen of... I might be your queen soon. I would be loved and feared, and Daphne would be your princess. I'll set up a situation like the Hunger Games, but instead of having to go and fight to the death, it'll just be like 18 to 25-year-old men who will be called forth to my throne too, you know. I'm gonna go foraging and then I'm gonna go get like a $500 haircut called Balance. So I said I wasn't gonna eat anything. If it's something I know about, maybe I won't eat it in the woods. Maybe I'll bring it home and I'll show you guys. I just found out what a beach plum is. Kind of a weird thing, but it happened to me. I guess it's kind of a weird thing that like would only happen to me. I lost a boot. I have like really nice Sportiva boots for hiking and I somehow lost one. I tried to tag them. Are they called Sportivanas? I thought they were Sportivas. Just because that's how my bum of an ex used to say it. But he didn't know anything. Oh, I have a photographic memory and I can see it. All right, that was great. We're gonna go see what we can find. I was gonna wear this shirt for ticks, but it's hot as fuck out. It's disgusting. Let's do this. Nothing to see here. Feel very weird walking down the street holding this basket. Everyone knows what I'm up to. My voice is raspy because I've been on the mountain bike or the bike and the boat so much that when you talk, you gotta talk so loud. Look what I'll do. I wanted a bucket hat. I want a white bucket hat for ticks. But I'll just like, since I'm not gonna wear the hat, I'll just like do something like that. Foraging, day one. I was a little late to the party on these raspberries, but we know they're there, you know? That was intense. Guys, I'm learning to forage wild food. I'm not gonna eat that, I just wanna use it to try to identify it. I'm gonna try to make a spore print with that and see what kind of mushroom it is. But yeah, this is like, guys, I'm in the woods. I'm learning how to forage food. This is the same mushroom as this one. I'm gonna be identifying these, not eating them, okay? I'm just practicing. Those are my mushrooms that I found. This is the woods I'm foraging in. Need a hat of some sort and a better basket. So when you forage for better keep moving. When you're foraging for mushrooms, you get them in a basket because then it spreads the spores over the forest floor. If I leave this place without poison ivy, I'll be fucking lucky. I don't think I'm allergic. Ow, famous last words. There's no bears out here, right? It's like a riverbed, a creek bed. I'm kind of lost. I'm just kidding, just a trail. I better start learning how to keep track of where I've been more. It won't really matter how good at foraging I am if I can't find my way back. Ooh, gross. It rained and that's why I thought I should come out here. It's pretty buggy, but then I was like, I'm foraging for natural food. I'm not gonna spray myself down in deep, right? Fucking hey, I don't get bug bites, but lately I kind of have. Am I changing? Fuck. Oh, spider web. I'm just walking through them. Fuck. Can I eat any of this moss? I just want to gather up some of this moss and get the fuck out of here. Just kidding, guys. My first time going out in the woods looking for stuff like this by myself. I've been going with a friend. He knows more than I do, but I can learn. So my instinct says to walk along the riverbed, but maybe that's on like a sunnier, drier day. And look at all those beautiful ferns. Oh my God. Look at all that. That's gorgeous. So yeah, like my gut, I wanted to walk along the riverbed, but there's so many mosquitoes, so we're not gonna do that. I kind of just want to like go with my gut and then research and see if my instincts are right or if my instincts are like totally wrong for this shit. I don't know if you can eat moss or if, I think moss filters water. You can like squeeze moss and like drink the water. I'm gonna learn how to forage and then I'm gonna officially be your queen when the world falls apart. I will be fair. Whew. I don't see that many mushrooms, maybe because it just rained. I might have to wait like a day. Oops, now I'm just in a rich person's backyard. My bad. I always did wonder what this house looked like though, behind their hedge. I think this is chicken of the woods fresh that are just growing. So I'm gonna come back later and tomorrow and look at those. That's awesome. I'm so excited I found those. I don't know. Look at that, look, look, look. Okay, so this is a dead tree. I need to find out what kind of tree. Because mushrooms grow on certain types of trees. I need to find out what kind of tree this is, huh? Okay. I think that might be baby chicken of the woods. It's all oak trees around it, I think. I wish I could get a leaf. Yeah. It's all... Is that an oak tree? These are the leaves around the tray. Oh, like this. Like this branch right here. Ah! This is a branch, so this is what kind of tree it is. I think that's an oak tree, right? Guys, I can tell you that the mosquitoes up in this bitch had a very good organic meal out of me today. I thought this was blueberry, wild blueberry, but I don't see any wild blueberries at all. But there's a lot of deer in these woods. I'll be honest, man, some of these mushrooms are fucking, they smell nasty. Like the chicken of the woods, some of these like look like you shouldn't even touch them. It's not good. That's not good. There's like a spider in there or something. Mosquitoes. Anyway, Red's not good. Well, you know, we're smelling the mushrooms. He's like, yeah, smell this one. I'm just like, bleh, bleh. For like vegans and vegetarians, like the chicken of the woods, like, oh, it tastes like, it tastes like chicken, but like, I don't want to eat anything that tastes like chicken. There's some really beautiful plants here. Huh. We're in Long Island, the Hamptons. So I gotta start looking at the bases of the oak trees. Fuck these mosquitoes. Okay, maybe I just need to get the fuck out of here, huh? Yeah, let's head out. That's enough of that for one day. That was fun though. And I did find some stuff. I found some stuff. And I can learn how to do a spore print on this mushroom and see what it is. Imagine seeing this just come out of the woods. So dumb. I'm still looking. If you guys like this foraging video, let me know. If you like my channel, you can subscribe. I'm gonna learn how to homestead a little more. I'm gonna learn how to forage. And I'm gonna try to show you guys how I'm doing it. My arm hurts. A pinched nerve in my left arm. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, I know I didn't really find anything, but I'm out here. I'm out here learning how to forage, and every day you learn a little tiny something. So maybe today I learned how to do a spore print. All right, guys. Until next time. Thanks for tuning in. It's Taylor Television. You're tuned in, and thank you for that.